And I have my pocket knife. I recommend to use something like this. It's dull, it doesn't have a, not sharp. And we always start by the center, guys. We center our cover, we have lines more or less that indicate, and we want to make an incision to aid the hack ring to go in position. And this incision doesn't go all the way to the bottom, guys. We put it in the center, sometimes a little up, depends on the size of the pull. Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now we're gonna be loading the covers. I already selected, sort them, put them where they belong, and we're gonna start the loading process, which is just hack ring the center. And I have my pocket knife. I recommend to use something like this. It's dull, it doesn't have a, not sharp. And we always start by the center, guys. We center our cover, we have lines more or less that indicate, and we want to make an incision to aid the hack ring to go in position. And this incision doesn't go all the way to the bottom, guys. We put it in the center, sometimes a little up, depends on the size of the pull. In this case, we just gonna do the center. And normally I'll use my hand pliers in this case, guys, because I have to move quicker. I'm gonna use the pneumatic tool. But the same process you're gonna do with your pliers. Just that I need to move quicker today, guys. And we continue. The key thing, guys, get the center. Woo, little bug. I want to squish it. And we continue with the sides and so on. That was the loading, guys. All the hack rings are in place. The next step, at least for this cushion, is fold it over. For that process, guys, we squeeze the phone and then we turn over the cover. So when it comes back, it fills out the corners. And there you have it, guys. It's loaded, ready for installation. I'm gonna put it aside so you can see the loading of the lean back. And obviously we need to select the cover that has the airbag in that side. Let's see if we are lucky. Yes, this is our cover, this is the right cover. That's why we sort them, guys, because it's easy to make a mistake and put the right in the left or the left on the right. And it's the same process, guys. We're gonna center our cover and then we're gonna do the incisions, then the hack rings. Very simple process. You're gonna take a slightly more time, guys, because you are kind of figure it out where everything goes. In my case, I've done this many times. It seems like I know what I'm doing. Remember, guys, we're doing this at professional level right now. That's why you see tools that you wish you had, but it's like everything else. If you're gonna invest money in such a tool and you wanna use it only once, it's pointless, right? Okay, now, guys, that it's loaded, we're gonna proceed with the airbag, and it has two nuts in the back, 210s. So we're gonna use our extension. There they are out. We're gonna get the pouch out and the airbag going back into the new pouch. Just like so, guys. The studs are not very flimsy, guys. Don't over tie those bolts or those nuts. And from here, guys, we guys gonna put some nylon to aid the turn it over of the cover. Let's get some nylon. We turn it over, guys, just like this. And there you have it, guys. That's the loading of the lean back. You have the loading of the cushion. The next step is to do the whole trimming. I'm gonna do that in the next video, but I just want you to see how the process goes. And the same is gonna be for the rear, guys. No difference. The assembly is just the opposite to what you just saw. The dismantling, the removal of the cover, all that is the same thing. So based on that, you can more or less put things together. Don't forget to put this back into this later on. I'm gonna demonstrate that process later, and I'll see if I can get you a video from the loading on the rear.